In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim video easily using Microsoft Clipchamp. So whether you're working on a personal project or something professional, this straightforward process will help you edit your videos with precision and ease. Let's dive in and get started with Microsoft Clipchamp. First, open up your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you have the Microsoft app version installed on your computer, you can start it up from there as well. Once you're on the Clipchamp website or app, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll then need to select the Continue with Microsoft option to log in securely using your Microsoft account. If prompted, choose your account and follow the login instructions to access Clipchamp's video editing suite. This step ensures you have all the necessary functionality at your fingertips. When you arrive at the home page of Clipchamp, you'll see a prominent option to create a new video. Click on this to begin your video project. Once you're in the project interface, look for the Import Media option. This is where you'll bring in the video files you want to work with. Click on it and upload the video footage you'd like to edit. You can either navigate through your files or simply drag your video clips into the workspace. Once your media is uploaded, it's time to start trimming. Click or drag the video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the magic happens. Now notice the trim handles at the edges of your video clip. Slide these handles to set the start and end points of the section you want to keep. As you adjust these handles, pay attention to the preview window to make sure you're capturing the right moments. After setting the trim handles, position the playhead where you want to make your cuts. When you're ready, click on the scissors icon. This action will split the video at the selected frame. Once the cut is made, you can click on the unwanted section of the video and then hit delete to remove it from your project. If you end up with a gap in your timeline, don't worry. Simply click on delete this gap to drag the remaining clips together seamlessly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cutting and trimming your video in Clipchamp. By following these instructions, you can streamline your video editing process, ensuring you only keep the footage that matters most. Remember to explore other features Clipchamp offers to enhance your project further. Thanks for watching.